Hello guys. Yeah, today is snowing here in New York City. I'm doing the maintenance of this blower. Well, the problem is that it was making a lot of noise, and one of these brackets is loose right here, and the bed was dry out, so I did put some grease on the bearings right there and here on this side, and I put some oil, spray oil in the bearing. So right now it's very quiet now, but I gotta fix it here. I just put temporary screws there, but in the meantime guys, we can fix it. So we're gonna wait until all this snow go away before I can come here and fix it. Right now I'm like about 20 feet away from the floor. So this is New York City. Okay then guys, I'm gonna check the amps too, but right now it's very quiet. Okay then, bye.